But compared to the town, village peoples, they are neglected. And also black levels actually, in the namesake only, they have COVID care centers. Even some private hospitals are there, 2 to 3 hospitals are there, but that is very expensive. So 18 and above people are not getting any vaccinations.
Welcome to Deaf Dialogue. Please give us your introduction. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Kumar, sir, working as a project officer in Smartpur project, sir, Kollegal, Karnataka state.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about COVID-19 in your area and how the second wave has affected things in your village and in your district.
Sir, actually, second wave of COVID-19, second wave, last month 28th, actually, April 28th onwards, the government declared fully lockdown. So Monday to Wednesday, 6 to 10 people can go outside and purchase essential things. So Thursday to Sunday, so people's allowed to go hospitals and medical shops only and buy vegetables, even milk only, milk products. So instead of that, every shops need to be closed, sir. This is the recent development. So regarding COVID-19 cases, actually, so 20,819 positive cases are in our districts. It was there. So in that 17,702 cases actually discharged. As on yesterday, that the government press bulletin only, I have taken this data. So today, actually, 3,011 positive cases are active till today. So today, actually, after 5 o'clock only, district in collector will declare this today's data actually. So like that, recently, even within 1 month, 293 cases found death actually. So every day, an average 15 people are dying. So even 500 to 700 cases every day, the positive cases are found actually. So this is the recent scenario. So compared to that last year, this year actually people are very panic. Even last year, the government was very active. Even Grama Panchayat also included. They are very active, included with joint with that health department, revenue department actually last year. But compared to this year, only health department is struggling. Even Grama Panchayat is not activated, and also recently that government is given the taken the decision for task force in the Grama Panchayat level. Even ASHA worker and Anganwadi worker and some revenue department people and also the police departments included in the task force. They need to go each and every houses. They are doing survey. So now survey is going on in actually in Karnataka. So, but last year there was seal down, lockdown, quarantine, so many things. Even the primary contact, secondary contact, so many things was there. But this year actually, if any positive cases found, they recommended for only home isolation. So this is the one more reason for increasing positive cases in the village level. But in the town level, so police is there, even the some government bureaucrats are also very active in the town level. But compared to the town, village peoples, they are neglected. Nobody is going and giving awareness on this. Even positive, if they found positive cases, they are not strictly sit inside the house. This is the one more case actually, one more problem for increasing positive. They are coming out of the house, they are walking here and there. So even for the medicines also, if they found positive, they are the health department people, they are telling people need to go and collect medicines in the block level hospitals. That is the one more problem, because 50 kilometers, 100 kilometers like that, the people are not able to, even positive cases people, they are not able to come and collect medicines. Even medicines kit also the government is not providing. That is the one more problem. So like that, so many even people's very panic because this second wave, the death cases is very high. That's why people very panic. They are not coming out of their house. Even the village level people need awareness. But this time, Grama Panchayat, health department, even police department, they are not active. Negligence, totally government is neglected. This year, one actually the media also covered. In our districts, one single day, 24 people are died because of lack of oxygen supply. In our district, only 2 to 3 private hospitals providing, giving services. Even COVID care centers, government opened only to the district level. They have one COVID care center, and also black levels actually in the namesake only they have COVID care centers, but very less positive cases. People they are going and taking services.
Okay, Kumar, that was very informative. Now, you tell me which section of your community or your area is affected the most. Like last year, the migrants, because they had lost their jobs, they were very much affected. They had to go back to the villages. They were facing a lot of problems. So this year, which part of your community is the most affected?
Sir, agri laborers and also migrants are both, because the migrants peoples already they came and settled in their village. They don't have any work to do here. They are facing livelihood problem, and also so agri based laborers, because the lockdown, peoples are not going for the agri work. So that is the one more problem. Even the government actually they are giving only 5 kilos rice, actually 3 kilos rice, 2 kilos ragi per head, like that. But recently, to last week only, the central government is promising for giving 5 more kgs rice. Totally 10 kilos rice, people will get this month, sir. Actually, like that, so government is helping for the food. But compared to last year, so many donors they have given food kit, medicine, so many things actually last year. I don't know this year nobody came forward and giving even donors I am talking about. Nobody is giving any food kit, vegetables, medicines like that. So this is the one more problem. Totally, the people are depend on government only.
Okay, okay. And what about the health facilities? Like, if someone is in the village, and are there COVID testing facilities close by, or they have to go to the nearest town or something?
So actually, on the taluk level hospitals only doing COVID tests are. Even some primary health centers are there. That is 10 kilometers, 50 kilometers, like that. The majority, the centers are, and in the village level only sub centers are. Sub center actually they don't have any doctors like that. Even they don't have any facilities for COVID test. If we need COVID test, we need to go to PSC or block level hospitals only.
And that is for testing, and then for treatment?
Treatment actually, sir, district level hospital only they are giving COVID treatment. Even some private hospitals are there, 2 to 3 hospitals are there, but that is very expensive. Even the death cases are very high, either the government or private. That's why people they don't want to go and take treatment in the hospitals. But nowadays, people's what they are doing, their steam is they will take steam, and also they are going to drink the hot water and some masala water they will prepare and they will drink. Like that, actually, this kind of practice is going on in the village levels also.
Has vaccination started at the village level?
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, earlier they told above 60 years, then again 45 and above, the second phase. Now third phase actually May 1st, the online registration actually started. But the shortage of vaccines, so 18 and above people are not getting any vaccinations.
Are you helping people register online for vaccinations?
Yes, sir, we help, sir, but the government actually announced that we don't have sufficient stock. Only the second dose for 45 and above and 60 age above only, the second dose is going on.
Is there anything that you would like to say to the audience? Any appeal or any message?
The message actually, people's need to be sit, but people need to be sit in the house and stay with the family. If anything needed, then only go outside with the 2 masks. So even wearing 1 mask also not safer, I think. But we need to be very careful. We need to be take care of ourselves. Then only it controls, I think.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kumar, for talking to us.
Thank you, sir.